Hello there. In this session, I'm going to create a report in the ESET Protect Cloud console. I'm going to choose the report section. You'll notice here that there are a number of predefined reports that you can use. But in this particular instance, I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to choose New Report Template. I have some options here for the report name and its description. In this instance, I want a report to tell me how many machines have how many policies applied. So I'm going to pop a name and a description. I can then choose to add some tags if I require that. And I can choose to change the category if I wish to do that. The categories and their names and the descriptions are here, and you can just choose whichever one you want to apply that to. You'll notice here that there is a warning triangle against the chart section because there is currently an error in this field. We do require at least one of these to be chosen, either a table or a chart. This instance, I'm going to choose a table. And then I'm going to have a look at my data. You'll notice now that my warning triangle has moved down to data. And I need to add a column. So the first column that I'm going to add is the computer, and I want the computer name. I also want to know how many policies are assigned to that computer. So I'm just going to drill down to the policy section, and I just want to know the applied policies count. I can have a preview of what this is going to look like. And if I wanted to add some different things to this, as I add different columns, you will see them appear here on the preview. We could choose to modify things like sorting, in which case I could add a sorting on the computer name, and I could also show the preview. So in this instance, I have them in ascending order. If I wanted to apply any filters, I could choose to filter them by here. Again, I can preview, and then when I've finished, I can get a summary of the name, the description, the category, what I'm sorting, and I can also, again, see a preview of what I've created. And if I choose Finish, that report will then be saved for me for later use. You'll notice that I dropped it under the computer section. So if I choose computers, we can see the one that I created is machines with policies applied. If I want to run that report, I just click on that policy, and there's my report with my computer names and the amount of policies that are applied to those machines. If I click on those policies, I can get various information and details about the machine, its state, and I can action any of these against that machine.